In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 1password as an authenticator. Dive in with me as we explore a simple yet effective method to boost your online security using 1password's built-in functionalities. Let's kick things off by heading over to the 1password website. This is where we'll start setting up your authenticator. Once you're on the website, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. This step is your gateway to accessing your 1password account, where all the magic happens. After clicking Login, go ahead and enter your credentials. If you already have your account info saved, logging in will be a breeze. Now that we're logged in, navigate to 1password Home. This central hub is where you get a full view of your account and everything it has to offer. From here, you want to click on Manage Account to access the settings and options that relate specifically to your profile. Once you're in the Account Management section, look for an option labeled More Actions. This will lead you to additional settings and controls, including the vital two-factor authentication management area. Clicking on More Actions will expose a drop-down menu with various options. Pay attention here and click on Manage Two-Factor Authentication. This is the section that allows you to control how your account is authenticated and protected. Two-factor authentication gives you an added layer of security by requiring a second form of verification. Located within this section is the option to manage your two-factor authentication settings. You'll want to click on the two-factor authentication link here to proceed further into setting up authentication options. After accessing the two-factor authentication settings, you'll see an option labeled Authenticator app. Go ahead and click on this. The Authenticator app is a powerful feature within 1password that enables you to generate one-time codes for logging into your various online accounts, thus streamlining and securing your login process. By reaching this point, you've effectively navigated through the setup to activate and manage two-factor authentication within 1password using its Authenticator capabilities. No additional apps or devices needed. Everything is neatly integrated within 1password itself, giving you a seamless experience. Bravo! You've successfully leveraged 1password as an authenticator. This enhancement adds a robust security layer, ensuring your online accounts are better protected with minimal hassle. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video where we'll explore more tech tips and tricks.